Hello, my name is Rob Aldrich. I'm an engineer with Stephen Winter Associates. We're an architecture and engineering firm headquartered in Norwalk, Connecticut. We focus a lot on energy efficiency and sustainability in homes, and I'm presenting a primer on mechanical equipment for high-performance homes: heating, cooling, ventilation, and water heating. I want to mention that a lot of this work for our firm was funded by the Department of Energy Building America program, where it's a Department of Energy program that hires us to work with builders and developers around the country doing research on high-performance homes and helping builders design and build really superior homes. The ultimate goal is getting to zero energy homes. Before we get into the nitty-gritty about the equipment in homes, I think it's important to talk about the purposes of HVAC systems. HVAC, again, is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, acronym that's used quite a bit. The primary goals are comfort, health, and safety, and that's really the primary goals. If you think about it, heating systems, cooling systems, ventilation systems keep you warm, protect you from the weather, and keep you healthy. The secondary goal of systems is to use as little energy as possible, and this is the part that gets interesting. I'll be talking about that quite a bit. Also, we don't want to spend an arm and a leg on equipment, on heating and cooling systems. Low cost, very efficient, comfortable, safe. Again, before getting into the nitty-gritty about the equipment, I want to talk a little bit about home envelopes. And this is really where a lot of the gains can be met. When you think about energy efficiency in homes, a lot of people talk about condensing furnaces, efficient boilers, ground source heat pumps. I'd like to reinforce the notion that a really efficient home begins with a home envelope, a building that's really well designed, really well air sealed, really well insulated. If you really go all out on improving the efficiency of the home, the mechanical equipment actually becomes a lot less important, I would argue. I'm also going to talk a very little bit about efficient distribution. Boilers, furnaces make hot water and hot air, getting that heat out to different parts of the home, or the cooling also. And also, one of the things I really try to drive home is simplicity. Simple systems are low cost, usually, lower cost, usually, easier to maintain, easier to operate, and you run into really lot fewer hassles.